What does hashrate show? Hashrate is one of the factors indicating the health and security of the Bitcoin network. As the hashrate increases, network security increases. And as the hashrate decreases, network security decreases too. What is important is that, as security decreases, fear in the market will increase. And this fear can lead to lower prices. Now there is a question. Does hashrate drop always lead to lower prices? No, not always. But if the hashrate drops more than a certain amount, it will definitely lead to a decrease in price. In the last 2 years, there have been examples of hashrate declines. Look at the chart. Orange diagram shows hashrate, and gray diagram shows Bitcoin price. Despite a 25% or 26% drop in hashrate in June and November of 2020, Bitcoin price have not only decreased, but also increased. Now look at the current hashrate situation, as you can see from the date 13th of May 2022, which hashrate touched the maximal amount. Until now it experienced a sharp fall up to more than 43%. This amount of reduction is unprecedented in the last 2 years. One of the main reasons for this decline is China's recent policies of banning miners, which we talked about in previous posts. There are a number of support levels we need to look at. The first broken support was 110 million terahash per second, and the next important support is the level of 90 million terahash per second, which should be monitored. If the support level of 90 is lost, hashrate decreases more, which is an alarm.